Oh hi, I didn't see you walk in there. Welcome to my new studio kitchen. Top of the morning to you laddies. Are you interested in a very beautiful concoction that I, your host FrankJavCee, is going to make for you live in this kitchen? Then come on and join us as we go on a St. Patrick's Day hike through the Emerald Isles where all the snakes are. What you think of that? First, you're going to need some milk so that we can put some milk into the milkshake. Second, if you like missionary sex for the sole purpose of procreation because you're Catholic and that's like the majority religion in Ireland, then you're going to want some French vanilla ice cream. Next, we're going to need some whipped cream. That's going to go on top of our milkshakes. Now, since alcoholism is a thing that happens during this holiday, we're going to get some Baileys and put a shot in there. And because we like Japanese people, we're also adding matcha green tea, which is going to turn everything really green. After that, we're going to get some sprinkles to put on top of the milkshake so that it can look extra, what are they called? Emeraldy. And then we're going to add some pure peppermint extract to make it extra pepperminty. So let's get together and put all this stuff together. But Frank, you might be asking, I clicked this video because it said weed. Well, you're in luck, my audience member, because we're adding this marijuana tincture with cannabis syrup. Remember, in California, marijuana is legal. If marijuana is illegal in your state, get with the times. So what you're gonna need is something to mix it in. So we're gonna be putting it inside of a stand mixer bowl. So we're gonna mix this together. So first, what you're gonna want to do is remove your wrapper from the ice cream like so. And then you're gonna open up your ice cream and we're gonna put in not one, not two, but maybe 3 scoops of this shit. So get yourself a nice big scoop. Oh, okay. So remember, it needs to be soft, just like your boy right here. So now let's get one big, massive, huge scoop, like so. Got milk. Alright, so we're gonna have like 2 cups of milk, or 1.5 cup, depending on how lactose intolerant you are. I made a mess! Remember kids, when you get your milk on the table, it's always good to clean up afterwards so mommy doesn't yell at you. Next, if you're a raging alcoholic like I am, you're gonna want to add the Bailey's cream to it. Just kidding kids, I'm not a raging alcoholic. So a little dash of the hair of the dog that bit me by the name of the Bailey goes in here. Ooh. Brown, just like my skin complexion. Isn't that actually kind of like my skin color?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm a Bailey's cream. Next, since Marion doesn't have a blender, like some sort of savage, we're gonna use the KitchenAid blender mixer thing. So what you want to do is put it in here and then set it to like, what setting should we
like stir or 2.
We're gonna see how far this can go. We're gonna push it to the limit. So now that we mixed it up quite a bit, we're gonna add a teaspoon of the matcha green powder, which is about this much. So we toss that shit in there. Now it's gonna make it emerald green, just like the Isles of the Ireland. Next, what we're gonna do is add a teaspoon of the peppermint oil to really give it that candy flavor that we all love. Next, we're gonna add 7 teaspoons of the cannabis oil, starting with this one. 1, 2. Now we're gonna blend this shit like so. Oh fuck, alcohol, like apparently if you breathe it in, just fucking burns your throat hole. You ready for this shit? Well, we're gonna add our little black ladle in here and scoop up some of our mixture. I sure am ready for Shrek's cummies tonight. So next we're gonna add the whipped cream. There we go. Am I gonna get high from that?
No.
Okay, because I don't want to get like stupid. I heard that makes you really stupid.
No, you have to do it downwards. There you go.
I've never done it in my entire life. So now you have the whipped cream. And then to top it off last, we're gonna add our little sprinkles so that we can have our emerald drink. Next, since we went to the Asian store, we're gonna add some Patti to the mix. So get your little pockies like so, and stab it very, very cutely like that. And now, as you know, Starbucks has the best straws and the best drinking water. Shouts out to Report of the Week for telling me that Starbucks has the best water. What we're gonna do is add a Starbucks green straw, like so, and then take a sip. That tastes like it will fuck my brain up for a while. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to buy my shirts, links are in the thing on the bottom. If you want to make this, send pictures of me to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all those other places, and I want to see you if you make it. So yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, thanks for watching. We're gonna drink this. This is Marionismagical. I've never put her in these cooking videos because I'm sus as fuck. But it's mostly because I use her kitchen and stuff, so she's mostly filming me. And if there's always a weird, awkward sexual tension, it's mostly because I'm flirting with her. So yeah, we're gonna drink this. We're gonna also make a pizza. And if you want to see the vlog in which we created this and went to the market and like did everything before that, click this video link right here in the center. So yeah, you can see us do that on my second channel. Where I'm gonna be making more tutorials and stuff, and just like overall like showing the process behind the scenes. Whereas my FrankJavCee channel, I'm just gonna turn it into, you know, making videos for fun. All right, so see you guys later. You have anything to say, Mary?
No.
That's right. Can you push the button?